Place fixed door sash top first into the center track before installing door. Pre-drill and secure the fixed door sash to the frame with appropriate fasteners. When moving door sashes, a two-person carry method should be used. With assistance, place the top of the door into door track first before lowering the bottom into the bottom track. Add screen door to outside track top first before lowering into the bottom track. Install the handle on the door with the key slot facing outward. Be sure to close the door to ensure that the handle latch operates correctly. If the latch keeper needs adjustment, loosen the screws and adjust the height as needed.